Heavy monsoon rains continue to batter large parts of India, causing widespread flooding, traffic disruptions, and serious concerns for public safety. Authorities remain on high alert as the weather situation remains volatile, with the Indian Met Department issuing multiple warnings across states. Flood-affected areas are extensive, with major cities and states facing severe waterlogging and disruption. Delhi and Gurugram have seen heavy rainfall, visuals on your screens, leading to submerged roads and major traffic snarls as well. Visuals on your screens are the old bridge Yamuna and Majnu Ka Tila in Delhi, in the aftermath of incessant rains all through Monday. Meanwhile, in Gurugram, schools have shifted to online classes today to ensure student safety amidst flooded streets. Heavy rainfall in Gurugram leading to submerged roads and, more importantly, major traffic snarls. Meanwhile, Punjab is facing one of its worst flood crises in years. More than 2.5 lakh people have been affected across 12 districts, including Pathankot, Gurdaspur, Taran Taran, Ludhiana and Amritsar. Sadly, the floods have claimed 29 lives so far. On the screens now are the flooded streets of Ambala in Punjab. Jalandhar too has been flooded with heavy rains over the last week or so. My colleague Sakshi tells you all about the flood-like situation faced across the country.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so let's speak about monsoon mayhem. Several parts of the country are at the moment reeling under the monsoon fury. We will be bringing you the dramatic visuals coming in from different parts, but let me also bring you the map graphics here that News9 has collected for the viewers to show you how heavy rains continue to batter North India and also the western parts of the country, causing widespread flooding and severe disruption across multiple states. Now, let me first quickly highlight the states that have been affected. It's Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Delhi as well as Uttar Pradesh, all the parts of National Capital Area. Let's break down the situation at the moment for you. First, flood affected areas span several key regions including Delhi and Gurugram. First up, we will be breaking down the situation over there, which have faced major waterlogging and traffic chaos. We brought you the dramatic visuals of how long that traffic jam in Gurugram was. Punjab is particularly hit very hard, with districts like Pathankot, Gurdaspur, Taran Taran, Ludhiana and Amritsar among those facing severe flooding, and also several lanes, several farmlands being at the moment completely inundated under knee-deep water. Then let's also talk about what exactly is happening here in Rajasthan. Flood affected areas include Dausa, Ajmer, Jodhpur and several other districts. Yes, extremely surprising for the state of Rajasthan, but that's the situation over there as well. Now let's go up north to Jammu and Kashmir. What is happening there? Regions such as Pahalgam, Anantnag and Rajouri are struggling with flash floods and also landslides. Speaking about another hilly state here, let's come to Himachal Pradesh. It has seen heavy downpours in Shimla, Mandi and Kullu, while parts of Uttar Pradesh like Mathura, Pilibhit and Bareilly have also been flooded. Lastly, but not the least, here comes Uttarakhand over here. It continues to battle cloudburst affected zone. Now, in terms of weather warnings, the Meteorological Department has issued red alerts for heavy rain in several states. Can we have the red alert graphics rolling here on our screens? All right, so red alert for all of these areas: Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Delhi and also Haryana. These include 6 districts in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Delhi and Haryana. This means these areas should brace for intense rainfall in the coming days and take necessary precautions. Also stay extremely cautious while they're stepping out of their house. Only step out if it's extremely necessary for you. Looking ahead, the IMD projects that heavy rain and flood risks will in fact persist through this entire week, especially in the national capital. Here we have Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh of course in the list. Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Delhi, all of these have been advised by the IMD that there is going to be heavy rain and flood risk. It will persist throughout this week. Residents have been advised, like I've said before, to stay on alert, avoid flood-prone zones and follow official updates very closely. We will continue to monitor the situation and keep the viewers of News 9 informed as it develops further. Till then, stay cautious.